So this is exactly how to remove and replace switches and keys on any Aula keyboard. So what you need to do firstly, you need to of course have one of those tools right here and also the switches. If you don't have the tool or the switches here, I have left the link for it down below. And yes, it is an affiliate link, so I may earn a small commission if you purchase through it at no extra cost to you. But now to be able to actually remove it, what we need to do firstly is to grab this side of the tool here. And then I'm just gonna take, for example, let's take the control button here. Just gonna make sure that I get the entire thing here. You can see now it sticks here. Now I'm just gonna remove it really easily. So now to be able to remove the switches here, what you need to do is to grab this side of the tool and you're going to find this little switcher here, or this little thing here basically, and then insert this tool here and you need to press it in here. So once you press it in here, it will actually release. I'm gonna show you exactly what I mean here. So I'm just gonna take the tool here, gonna press it in here and remove it like this, as you can see, very easy. So to be able to replace the switch here, I'm going to take it here, the new switch, with this side here, as you can see, facing up, and then insert it into here. Just gonna press it in here. Yeah, perfect. Now you can see it's in. And then take back the caps here and insert it here as well, like this. You can see now it's in here. And basically that is exactly how to actually do this.